G'day and welcome to Nature Walk. I'm still in Mundaring, Weir, and behind me is the local native population. Plenty of kangaroos around. That's quite a lot. But then again, this is their home, this is their area. We are just the visitors. Let's go for a walk. Okay, now it is very important that when you do come here, lock up your cars and take all valuables with you, because being a very high theft risk area, you do not want this to happen to you, as it did to my parents a long time ago. Now that is my car right there, the Fremantle Docker's car. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. What am I thinking? But hey, that's my preference when it comes to football. I'm only human. Now there are other native animals to this area, the black cockatoos. You can definitely see a lot of them around. Okay. Now there are 3 species of black cockatoo to southern Western Australia that are currently listed as endangered or threatened and are in need of special protection. Okay, there's a white-tailed one, the forest red-tailed black cockatoo. And when it comes to some farmers or people in these type of areas, they can be thought of as a bit of a pest in a way. So I do stress it to you, don't think of them that way, even though they do have a very nasty habit of dropping a lot of gum nuts all over the place. And you don't want to be underneath a gum tree when that happens. Have one of those fall on your head. Oh, it's like buggery. So anyway, let's turn you around a bit more. Okay, there's a sign for you to see. Now this area has actually improved a lot since the last time I was here, which I'd have to say is a fair while ago, seeing I came here last around 1996. That was a long time ago. Now you're probably thinking, yes, I do have a problem looking directly into the camera when there are other better things to see. It's not that I don't think that I'm going to lose my spirit by looking directly into the camera or anything like that. It's just, that's not me. Now, of course, naturally, seeing kangaroos are wild animals, do not approach them, feed or pat them. Well, I don't know how they are going to behave, but hey, that's a sign for you to take notice of. For their sake, for your sake. So turn you around a bit more. Now I've got to wrap this video up, so until next time, see you then.